Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening Settings and tapping Accessibility. This directs you to touch-related controls. Once there, choose the Touch or Assistive Touch entry so you can manage the floating menu. Make sure your device is unlocked and responsive because some gestures are blocked when locked. You're taking action now to locate the toggle rather than hunting through menus. This first step ensures you're in the right place to turn the feature off without changing other accessibility options. Now look for the Assistive Touch switch inside the touch settings. It's the control that governs the floating button. You tap the toggle to set it to off, and the system will stop drawing the on-screen control. If it doesn't change immediately, wait a second then tap again. Some animations delay the icon removal. Once off, the floating button should vanish. This prevents accidental taps and frees screen space, while leaving other accessibility options intact for later reactivation. Finish by returning to the home screen to confirm the Assistive Touch icon is gone, which proves the toggle worked. If the icon remains, restart the device because a soft reboot clears lingering UI artifacts. Should problems persist, go back to Accessibility and toggle Assistive Touch on then off again, or reset accessibility settings to defaults. This refresh often fixes configuration glitches. Make sure to back up any custom gestures. Before resetting,
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.